students, welcome in our English online class. Students, we have already started a chapter of English course book, that is a poem, The Rum Tum Tugger, written by the poet T.S. Eliot. Now students, some animals or some person's nature is totally different from others. They have the unique natures. Sometimes they behave differently that we cannot easily identify that before that time how was that person's behavior. So here we are talking about a cat, a curious cat, a terrible cat, a horrible cat because of his behavior at different times. The poet is not able to judge the cat because of his changeable behavior. At first the poet said that the Rum Tum Tugger, the cat, is a curious cat, and every time he wants the attention. That is why he is a curious cat. Whatever the things the cat does, he does to get the attention of everyone. That's why whatever the person says that do this thing, every time the cat says no, that I will not do this thing, because he wants the attention of everyone, and for getting the attention of everyone, he refuses whatever the person says to him, and instead of that he wants something else. He wants the opposite of the things whatever the person offer him. Okay, as if someone offer him to stay in a house, that time he would prefer a flat. But at the same time, if someone would offer him a flat, then he would like to stay in a house. That's why the cat is totally confusing because of his changeable behavior. Now we have done the explanation part of the first two stanzas of this poem. So now we will do the explanation part of the stanzas which are left in this poem. Yes. So the next stanza we have, the Rum Tum Tugger is a curious beast. His disobliging ways are a matter of habit. If you offer him fish, then he always wants a feast. When there is not any fish, then he won't eat rabbit. If you offer him cream, then he sniffs and sneezes. For he only likes what he finds for himself. So you will catch him in it right up to the ears, if you put it away on the larger side. Now we will do the expression part of this stanza. Yes, the first one. The Rum Tum Tugger is a curious beast. Now this time the poet is saying that the cat is a curious, cruel person. Curious, cruel animal because of his behavior. Because he doesn't like anything. Whatever the person offer him, whatever the caretaker owner offer him, he just goes against of that thing. That's why he says at this time that he is a cruel person. His disobliging ways means, what's the meaning of this word? Disobliging. Whenever someone says to help him, that time you refuse to help him. You deny to help the person. You're not willing to help the person whenever the person offer to help, to get a help from you. So the Rum Tum Tugger is of that type. Every time he refuses to help someone. That's why, and this is his habit. Okay, to deny to help others, that is the cat's habit. That's why the cat is cruel person at now. The cat is very cruel at now. That's why nobody likes the cat. If you offer him if you offer him fish to eat, then he always want a feast, a big party, a huge meal. That time means every time he wants the best thing in his life. If you offer him fish, then he refuses to take that fish, and instead of fish, he wants to have a feast, a big party, a big meal to eat. When there is not any fish, but when there is no fish at that time, then he won't eat rabbit. That time also he refuses to take the rabbit. So every time he is in a habit to refuse the things, and whatever things are not there at present, that things he wants to have. If you offer him cream, then he sniffs and sneezes. Now cream, the cat likes the cream, the cat likes the milk, but if you offer him the cream, the milk, that time he sniffs. Sniff means to inhale, to smell something. Okay, he sniffs. It means he sniffs that the taste is good or not, the smell is good or not of the cream. And sneeze also, make fun of the food, whatever the food is offering to him, make fun of that thing. For he only likes what he finds for himself. It means whatever the things he thinks that this thing is good for me, he thinks only that thing. That whatever the person says that this thing is good for you, he refuses all the things. He thinks that whatever opinions are there in my life, I have a right to think whatever things are there in my life. I will not listen to others. That is the thinking of the Rum Tum Tugger cat. That's why everyone dislike the cat. So you will catch him. Now at this time the cat refuses to have cream. Okay, but after some time you will catch him in it right up to the ears. But after some time, if you put it away on the larger shelf, now what is it here? The cream. Now if you put the cream in the storeroom where you used to keep the food there in the shelf, but after some time, afterwards what will happen? Afterwards you will see that the cat is there in that place, and the cat mustache, the cat's face and the ears are filled with what? Cream. At time when the cat refuses to have a cream, that time the person can keep it at another place, but after some time he wants that cream. It means whatever the things are offering to him, he denies at that time, but after some time he wants the same thing. So he has a habit of disobeying the things, not follow the things of the person, whatever the person says to him. He is in a habit of saying no to others. Now come to the next stanza. The Rum Tum Tugger is artful and knowing. It means the cat is having a knowledge of things. The Rum Tum Tugger doesn't care for a cuddle, the love, the affection of someone. He doesn't like these things, the love, the affection, the caring of someone. But he will leap on your lap in the middle of your say, but to disturb you. Whenever you are doing some work, that time he will jump and sit at your lap to disturb you and to make the place untidy and in a different manner, make the place. For there is nothing he enjoys like a horrible murder. Why he does all these things? Because he likes the messy place, the untidy place. He doesn't like the tidy place, the clean place. That's why he used to do all these things. Yes, the Rum Tum Tugger is a curious cat, because every time he wants the attention that every person, whatever person is there with him, the person will give him attention. Whatever the things he is doing, the person has to follow all the things as per his wish, not as per the person's will. Okay, that is why he is a curious cat. And there is not any need for me to spout it. Now who is me here? The person, the poet. Now that is why when the poet knows very well about the cat, that cat is a curious cat, the cat is a curious beast, cat is a horrible, a terrible one. Then afterwards he says that I will not worry about the nuisance habits of the cat. Why? Because whatever the things I will tell to him, he will not follow my things, follow my rules, whatever I will tell to him to do, that he will not follow. So there is only wastage of time to speak all these things. That's why the poet doesn't care of the cat at now. He says, what? For he will do as he do. Whatever he wants to do, he will do that only as per her, as per his wishes. He will not listen to others. That's why now I will not take care of his nuisance activities, his nuisance habits. I will leave all the things. And there is no doing anything about it. And I can't do any changes in him. I am pretty helpless at now. So, in this manner, the cat's behavior is changing every time. In the same manner, person's behavior also changes every time. Sometimes person is very happy, sometimes person is very sad, sometimes person become aggressive because of the condition, because of the circumstances. So here, the cat, first of all, the cat was very curious. The cat was very curious, but after some time the cat became horrible. After some time the cat becomes beast. After some time the cat become so horrible mother. He doesn't like the cleanliness. He likes the messy place. That's why he used to do all these things. So students, I hope this poem is clear to you. So have a nice day. Goodbye. Take care.